Okay, wait. I have it. I got it. It burns my fucking finger. I can't do it. I'm scared. Look what it did.
Dun, dun.
Actually, it was from the marker.
Oh.
But I just thought it would be cool.
Oh, I thought that's what it
I thought it would be cool, you know. Ready? Music on.
First, I gotta post the bulletin, because that's what I do a lot with my life. I sit around and I post MySpace bulletins.
No, it's secretive. Turn the camera away. It's secretive. Okay.
Yum yums.
Here. Do this shit. Remind me to show you the thing on YouTube.
Okay. This is ceremony time. Stop.
Yeah, where's the music?
I know, I forgot.
God. I kind of chipped it because it was longer and just I went like this and it broke off.
Yeah.
But